People often say to me, I don't have space, Tanya, so I can't grow things. I don't have a garden. And that is so the wrong attitude to have, guys. We can garden anywhere. And if we don't have enough space, we can simply just put it in pots. Everybody wants to have something fresh that they can pick and use in their cooking or their samis, or simply just add it, possibly even as a healthy snack. Well, let's get to that in a second. But growing herbs in pots is one of the most fulfilling ways. And I know you've spoken about it and you've read it and you've seen it on your feeds, but have you got down and done it? So here we have a beautiful combination in a lovely low terracotta pot. I've got a mint, I've got a curly moss-curled parsley, and a nutmeg geranium. Now you might be saying, but Tanya, you keep on telling us that you shouldn't have mint in a pot with anything else. Well, if you take a closer look, because mint is very enthusiastic, as you know, we've planted the mint in its pot that we got from the garden centre. So you just pop it in there, which means it'll always stay contained, nice and compact, and won't take over the rest of the pot. Because if we had to plant this guy in here, it would run amok. And of course, if you're wanting to plant a mint in a pot, then by all means, because there are so many different varieties, whether it's apple mint, chocolate mint, spearmint behind me, you can go wild. And we know in summer they have so many uses. So other options in pots: lettuce, you can grow fennel, you can grow oregano. Let your heart go wild. Give it a bash, and remember, the thing that you need to remember is a minimum of 5 hours sunlight in for the pots or wherever they're going to be, and also to give them a regular feeding of any plant food that you've got at home.